Good evening and welcome to Sundays with Neelu. I hope you all are doing well. I'm doing well. Thank you so much for all your story responses on last week's story. My prayers and best wishes to all of you and your family members. So, coming to this week's story. This week's story's title is The Advice. Once a young man goes to his uncle for advice. He feels very defeated. He tells his uncle that he has lost everything in his life and he feels very defeated and he cannot move ahead in life. He feels very deadlocked. So his uncle says, "Oh, is that so? Fine, let's talk about it. But right now I need your help." So the nephew immediately gets up and says, "What help do you need? I'll help you." So the uncle says, "Okay, let's go out." So they both walk out. It's beautiful, in his hometown. There is sunshine and there's greenery, and so they both start walking. And the uncle says, "Now let's walk up that hillock. There's a small hill there. He says, "Let's walk it up." So the nephew says, "Why not? We can easily do that." So the uncle says, "Chalo," and they both walk and they start walking and they walk up. While they walk up, the uncle starts going breathless. So the nephew says, "I can carry you, let me carry you." So he carries him on his back and they walk up. And after a point, they both sit, they chat, and again they walk up and finally they reach the top of the hill. So the uncle asks his nephew, "Now how do you feel?" He says, "I feel on top of the world. It was so nice chatting with you. It was so much fun." So the uncle reminds him that, "Do you remember, when you were a child, you and your friends used to climb the same hillock and they all used to tease you, saying that you find it very difficult to climb." So the nephew says, yes, back then I was a child, but now I am grown up. At that time they would call this hillock Everest. I would call it Everest because I would find it so difficult to climb. So the uncle asks him, "So now how are you being able to climb?" He says, "Because I am grown up." So he smiles and he says, "That's my advice." You know, it is very, very important to understand that obstacles are a way to grow up. Whenever we encounter an obstacle or a deadlock in our life, it is a signal that we are growing up. We need to overcome it. We need to overcome the hurdles so that we can grow up. So, while reading this story, I remembered how as children we used to climb up stairs. So my father was posted in a village and it was a pilgrimage center. A lot of pilgrims used to come there to see the deity there. There was a Vishnu temple up the hill, and there were 1,000 stairs to go up the hill, and there were also buses. So all the elders used to take the bus and we children used to climb up the stairs and we would enjoy climbing up the stairs. And there were green trees and there were monkeys there, and we all used to chat, we used to sit, we used to climb the whole thing in just at the same time. Our parents used to reach there and we also used to reach. So we would enjoy doing these activities. So most of the time I feel we forget all that what we have done in the past and we think that we cannot do things anymore. Yeah. But again, when we recollect what all we have done and what a long way we have come through in life, what all failures we have encountered and how much we have grown, when we just go back and think, it becomes very easy for us to move ahead in life. Every minute of our life is growth. That is something which we need to realize. So this is what I wanted to share. Please leave in the comment section what you feel about the story. What is growth to you? What is personal growth? How motivated do you feel on a daily basis? And when you face a deadlock, what do you do? Please tell me. I'll respond to all the comments that are related to the story. I'll see you again next Sunday, only on Sundays with Neelu. Till then, please take care of yourselves. Stay safe, stay healthy. Also go and check out my YouTube channel, Indigo Stories, where I tell 2-minute stories every morning 9 a.m. Okay, thank you. Stay well. Bye.